Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to knit the seed checks knit pattern. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to knit, purl, and cast on. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitchings and techniques. So to get started, you want to cast on multiples of 4 plus 3. Now for row 1, you're going to start off by knitting 3, and then you will do a repeat of purling 1, knitting 3, and you'll repeat this till the end of the row. So here we are coming up onto row 2. You are going to start off by knitting 1, and then you will do a repeat of purling 1 and knitting 3, and you'll repeat this until your last 2 stitches. Your last 2 stitches for this row, will be a purl and then a knit. So here we are, just finishing off row 2. Again, the last 2 stitches will be 1 purl and 1 knit. Next, for rows 3 through 5, you're going to repeat row 1, and rows 4 through 6, you're going to repeat row 2. And then we'll jump back into it on row 7. So here we are on row 7. You're going to start off by knitting 1, and then you will do a repeat of purling 1, and then knitting 3, and you'll repeat this until the last 2 stitches, and then your last 2 stitches, it'll be a purl 1, knit 1. So we're doing our purl 1, knit 1, and now we're going to start on row 8. So for row 8, you are going to start off by knitting 3, and then you will do a repeat of purling 1 and then knitting 3, and you will repeat this all the way until the end of the row. Now that we finish off row 8, so the repeat now is going to be for rows 9 and 11, you're going to repeat row 7, and rows 10 and 12, you're going to repeat row 8. Now the repeat for this project is going to be rows 1 through 12. It is a lot of repeating of what you've done in the previous rows. And there you have it. That's how you do the seeds check stitch pattern. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next knitting video. Have a happy knitting day!